Welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create and host a WordPress website for free and get the domain too for free. So what you have to do is at first come to google.com. From there search for pantheon.io, and then it will take you to a page like this. What you have to do is click on Get Started and then fill in all of your information, enter a password, and then choose your country from wherever you are, and then make sure you tap on I agree to this one and then click on sign up. It will bring you to a page like this. What you have to do is click on sites, and from there you have to tap on create new site. So from here it will say what kind of site you're creating. Make sure you press WordPress because we're going to create the website using WordPress. Now make sure whatever you name here, since you're using Pantheon, in your URL the pantheonsite.io would be here. But if you don't want it, suppose you want something like www.something.com without the Pantheon site, then you have to pay for premium. But for now I'm just gonna show you how to do it for free. Let's just name this for now and then choose your region and then tap on continue. Now this page usually takes some time to load, so you have to be patient. Once this loads up, you have to click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. From there, it will bring you to a page like this. Now there are two options, visit development site and site admin. You have to click on this one. And then whatever language you want it to be. This is basically setting up your WordPress, and from there just put in whatever your site title wants you to be. Suppose this, and then put a username. And then your email. And after that, this option is up to you. So if you want it, select it, or if you don't, then just leave it unchecked and then tap on install WordPress. And then click on login. From there, just press on remember me and then log in again. And now it will bring you to a page like this, and at first it may seem a lot, but what you have to do is just tap on plugins, and then on the top you'll see here add now, so click on it, add new, and then on search plugins just search for Astra, and then this one starter templates, we want this one, so press on install now. And then once it's done, it will say something like activate, so click on this one. And now you'll see something called starter templates and then see library, so tap on it. And then scroll down until you see build your website now. And from here we'll select Elementor because this is the most user beginner friendly one. Once you're here, you'll see a lot of stuffs here. A lot of templates that you can use basically, and there are a lot of premium ones. Now if you want them you have to pay for it, but since this is a free one, so we're going to show you one that doesn't need it. So suppose this one, it's completely free, so all you have to do is skip and continue. You could change the colors to whatever you want to. I like this one, and then there are fonts, so it's also up to you, and just continue. And from here you have to fill up a bit of information, suppose this, and then your email, and then I'm beginner, and then myself from my company, and this is if you want your email to be spammed or not. So I'm just gonna do this and submit. And it's going to install and build my website, so we have to be a bit patient for that. Also, it depends on your net speed, how much fast it can load, but you have to be patient on these steps. And then once it's done, it will bring you to a page like this. You have to tap on view your website. And then you see this is the current website, but of course we want to change it. So on the top, you'll see edit with Elementor. So tap on this. At first, it might seem scary at the beginning, but all you have to do to change something, suppose this one, and write it to, suppose this one, I want to write it to, hey, welcome to our site, and then there's whatever you want to. And then this one, if you tap on edit, you'll see the text, whatever you want to put it here. Suppose our products, and then the size, if you want it medium or extra small, that's up to you. And then icon spacing, all of this is up to you. And the style, you see color, what color pops up when I hover over it. Suppose I want this one, so it's gonna be like that. And then in advanced, you'll see all of this. Now if I tap on this and then go to style, and then suppose I want to change the image, so all you have to do is tap on this one and the tree, and something like this will pop up. And on style, you see image. So if you want to discard it, or if you want to add something, you can do it. Background overlay, basically everything that you want to do here. Anything that you want to change, just tap on that one, then go to style, or just select the entire page, and then you'll see everything over here. Suppose this one, you can select any image that you want, or for this one, whatever you want, it's all in here. And once it's done, just tap on update, and then go to view your website, and you'll see that whatever changes I made, it's here. So this is basically how you can create and host a free domain for your WordPress. Thanks for watching. This is it for the video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.